Good afternoon, I'm Samuel Simp at the Exchange desk. The composite Simp is closing out this Q3 2026 session down just under 1% at 1320 and change, with tracked cap sitting at 1.3 trillion as 5 advancers manage to outvote 4 decliners, a slim majority that is doing very little to inspire confidence. Match leads the charge on the upside with a 2% gain, while Vow takes the day's honor of biggest loser, off 2.2%, which in this market means the commitment trade is once again not paying out.
$517 and change is all that stands between the composite and a full-on masculine confidence crisis, as Spawn bleeds out 0.25%, with 5 names in the red and only 2 brave enough to show their face green. Queen Diva here at the sponsor economy desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, where $537 billion in tracked cap is quietly weeping into its couch cushions this close session. Gamesies is the one bright spot, up nearly 5%, proving that the fastest way to a man's wallet is still a controller and a leaderboard, while Treat gets dragged out back down almost 3, because apparently somebody forgot that snacks have feelings too.
7 out of 9 sectors in the green, and somehow the headline number is still bleeding red, which means Wheels is down there doing the kind of damage that one stock has absolutely no business doing. I'm Zach Grindset at the Grindset Index desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, where $940 billion of tracked cap is currently being held hostage by whatever is happening to Wheels, while Gain sits over in the corner flexing at exactly 2.56%. Like it knows the cameras are on. The breadth here is genuinely encouraging heading into the close of this Q3 session, but until Wheels stops dragging the composite, 7 green sectors just means 7 guys watching one guy fall down the stairs.
Men are outspending everyone in sight. Simp Economy Capital at $1.297 trillion dwarfs both the sponsor economy's $537 billion and the Grindset Index's $940 billion combined, meaning male-directed outflows remain the dominant force across all 3 markets in Q3 2026. All 3 indices are closing red, but Simp's 0.96% slide is doing the heaviest bleeding, while Spawn holds its losses to a comparatively dignified 0.27%, suggesting women are spending less but spending steadier. The spread between where men send their money and where they keep it tells you everything you need to know about the current allocation philosophy. Full data and live tickers at simpx.exchange.